funny, my little dove. What if I sat on your stomach? Oh my gosh. Should I get your pajamas on?
No.
Come here. Come here. Let's put your pajamas on. I'm gonna get you. What's Daddy doing?
Mommy, Daddy.
I got you. And we're down. Oh, be careful. Hold on.
God forbid you put on your pajamas, which you love doing.
Oh, I'm sorry. You okay? That probably didn't hurt.
No, it didn't hurt at all.
Oh no, your pajamas. Here, can I have this hand? Your pajamas are nice and they're warm and they're cozy. Right? Oh, are these like... They're not too small, are they?
No.
Stand up for a sec. Okay. Okay. Oh no, they're not. Let me do them up. These ones are the best. Are they teddy bears? Teddy bears. Look at the teddy bear. Well, I gotta do the rest up, but... Come here. Laura, come here.
Hi.
No.
Oh no. Oh no. Ma, open. Oh no. Oh yes. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is.
There we go. We're good.
Come on.
All good.
Come on. Come on.
All good. Laura. Laura, who's your favorite?
Both?
Who do you like better, Mommy? Who do you like better, Mommy or Daddy?
Good answer.